Good morning, my friends. I hope you are all staying safe, staying healthy, washing your hands. You guys washing your hands? Good, good. So for today's book, this is actually one of my favorite Pete the Cat books. Do you want to guess why? This is Pete the Cat and the Supercool Science Fair. Now, you all know Teacher Ophelia loves science experiments. I love them so much. In the classroom, we try to do one every Friday, right? And right now, your teachers are doing them and posting videos of them so you can watch them. I hope you've been watching them. Yes, this is Pete the Cat and the Supercool Science Fair. Look at that cover. Look at that. He looks like he's having lots of fun. And it's by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete cannot wait for Friday. His school is having a science fair. His school is having a science fair on Friday, and we do science experiments on Fridays. How cool is that? That's awesome. Pete has never been a scientist. Now he can try it out. So he's going to go be a scientist. Ooh, that's a big juicy word. Scientist. What do you think a scientist does? Think about that. Pete's teacher tells the students they will do experiments in groups. Pete is in a group with Callie, Gus, and Squirrel. Our experiment is going to be groovy, says Pete. What should we do? So now they're going to think about it. They're going to think about what they're going to do in a group. Let's build a mini submarine, says Callie. Or grow a giant tree, says Squirrel. Or invent an invisible guitar, says Pete. Pete loves his guitars, huh? Why don't we make a volcano, says Gus. Whoa, they all say volcanoes are awesome. So there was a video on our Facebook page, and we had a teacher make a volcano experiment. Who was that teacher? Do you remember? It was Teacher Victoria. Teacher Victoria made an experiment, a volcano experiment, excuse me. She sure did. Now Pete and his friends are going to make one. The group plans the experiment at Pete's house. His mom brings them snacks. Would any scientist like a cookie? She asks. They all raise their hands. The cookies are warm and groovy. Yum. The scientists, fold the book like that. The scientists check the big book of experiments for materials. They need glue, water, newspaper, paint, and a plastic bottle for the volcano. They need vinegar, baking soda, liquid dish soap, and a secret ingredient for the lava. Look at them planning their volcano out, working as a team. How fun. Pete and Gus mix glue and water. Squirrel and Callie tear the newspaper into strips. They cover the plastic bottle with glue and paper. It looks like a sticky white volcano. They are working very, very hard at making this volcano, huh? They sure are. Oh no! The paint in the brown bottle is blue. What are we going to do? Asked Callie. They can't find brown paint anywhere. What do you think they should do? What do you think they should do to find brown paint? That's a good idea. Let's find out and see what they do. That's pretty cool, says Pete. Maybe it's okay that we have a blue volcano. We'll be the only group with a blue volcano, says Squirrel. Let's test the lava so we know the volcano will erupt. Ooh, that's a big juicy word, erupt. At the science fair, says Pete. Gus pours baking soda and liquid dish soap into the volcano, and Callie adds vinegar. Nothing happens at first. What do you think might happen? What do you think? What do you think might happen if Gus pours baking soda and liquid dish soap, and then Callie adds the vinegar? What do you think will happen? Let's find out. All of a sudden, a lot of lava starts coming out. Super cool, says Callie. The team high-five each other, but the lava is still coming out. Soon it is a big mess. Oh no. Oh, Mom isn't going to be happy, says Pete. At least the scientists are ready for the fair on Friday. Look at that. That is a lot of lava, huh? Wow. When Pete and his team arrive at the science fair, they see all the other groovy experiments. They all look awesome. Grumpy Toad and Octopus grew rock candy in jars. Wow. Emma and Marty made slime. Oh, that's pretty popular, huh? We don't stand a chance, says Gus. Don't worry, we have the secret ingredient, says Pete. I wonder what the secret ingredient is. At the science fair, Pete's teacher loves the blue volcano. Wait till you see it erupt. Oh, there's that word again. Erupt, says Pete. The whole class watches Callie pour vinegar into the volcano. Do you think it's going to make a big mess like it did at Pete's house? What do you think? Yes, it sure did. A second later, glitter lava gushes out. Everyone cheers. The scientists cheer the loudest. The secret ingredient was glitter. They put glitter in the lava. Wow. Science experiments are hard work, says Pete, but being an awesome team makes them a whole lot easier. The trophy says coolest experiment at the science fair. So they won the trophy for the coolest science experiment. That is so awesome. You know what I love about this story? Is that they all worked as a team. They sure did. They all worked as a team, and at the end, everything turned out to be okay. Right? Because it's good. It makes you feel good when you're nice to others and when you work well with others, huh? It sure does. Alrighty, my friends, so that was our book for today. I will be back again tomorrow with an activity for you to do, okay? So please, again, stay safe, stay healthy, wash those hands with soap, okay? All right, bye-bye, friends.